What's up, guys? Today we're at raw powder coating. Why? Because a part came today. I don't know if you guys remember the last video, but we were in New York. So the car that we got with the part has now arrived. So before anything, we'll give you a tour of raw powder coating so we could tell you what they do. Shit, right here, look at Brian. No, chill. No, chill. You have to tell him, be like, hey, Brian, what do you do here? And then you gotta be like, as you can tell, we do it. You have to do it. You see how he is?
I'm not in the mode, bro.
You're never in the mode. And it's not even the mode. It has to be, you gotta be in the mood. Hey, put that in the clip. That was Brian. He's gay. But for those that don't know, that's Brian, aka Wreck-It Ralph. Just, you guys will see the reference later. But they do everything from real restoration, so like polishing lips, chroming wheels, painting faces, you name it, they got it. Any color combo they do full motor restorations. Look how beautiful this is. Like, why wouldn't you want this on your project? You know what I'm saying? But watch, check it out. We're gonna show you the man who's behind it as well. Drew, this is Drew, the other owner of Raw Powder Coating. This is the guy that does the powder and everything. Can you explain to us what you do?
In a minute.
Oh, in a minute. He's busy. Okay, in a minute.
He's just bugging everyone.
Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but me and Brian went to New York and we picked this up and we picked up this. So now, this is one of the major key components to getting the black 33 done. Let me see. So we got a front bumper support, which we were able to get in Connecticut. And then we got the missing piece of the puzzle, front core support. This is the main part. And we got two of them. 2 out of the 5 components that we need to make it a complete car again. It's looking pretty promising, man. We're excited. So you have raw powder coating where they do their powder and their prep prior to powder coating. And then over here is where they do most of their prep work, which is their sandblasting, wheel repair, dismounting of tires. And I don't know if you can see, but look at all the wheels that they have stacked up, lined up, ready to go to powder coat. Top, bottom, right here on the back end, the front. Maybe we could show them the wheels that are on my garage hanging, the ones that they did for me. And then this is my buddy shop, my other buddy Juan. Most of Juan's collection. I think this is his buddies, the Vipers or stuff. That's Brian's other GTR, the white one. Put a little car storage for people that are interested in storing their cars. You can hit up Juan and have your car stored here.
Yeah, it's plastic.
That's fine right there. Oh yeah, right now we're headed to the Hobie shop, 405 Motoring, to go pick up some parts for Crudo. And then from there, we're gonna head to Crudo shop to pick up another part for the GTR and get some coffee.
Your haircut looks good, bro.
Wait, you see?
Oh,
Not
on camera?
You see this? The full electric Rolls Royce? It's full electric. Yeah. Some light.
Some light.
One day. We're waiting to get some parts for our buddy Crudo. So we're just on standby until they say, hey, load this up. And then that's it. Vámonos. So we get some coffee. Brian has us doing stuff without coffee. It's crazy. Tired.
That's Crudo. Thanks, Crudo.
Huh? Oh, it's right there. So we're just taking the wheels today then?
That's it, bro. Yeah, that's all. I just had, I guess, ready today. Yeah.
Okay.
Look at Louis.
Just carry them, bro.
Yeah, with my glove.
All that muscle can't even do that. Come on. Oh my gosh, bro. La princesa.
There you go.
You guys want to get introduced or what? We just film random shit and then he puts it together.
Okay.
Aquí, the YouTuber. This is mi rey right here, aka Gerardo. This is the barista at Black Dog. The best and only. I only come when he's here. You know? So this is Crudo. This is my buddy Crudo. He's the owner of this wonderful and lovely warehouse of just black vehicles. Crudo has a R33 that he's building, well, that he built, and now he's rebuilding to an even better engine that only most GTR owners like me and Brian only dream of having. But Crudo has it. Oh, dang. See that? Bagel time. Hey, can I have this Hot Wheel? It's an Evo. Oh, no, it's a Subaru. Never mind. I don't want it. We gotta introduce John. My buddy John. It's the owner of Zen Detail.
How's it going, guys?
Can you explain to us what you do?
We do anything from vinyl wrap, PPF, paint corrections, ceramic coatings, window tints, pretty much anything to do with keeping the car clean and protected.
Hit him up. It's like stretching his asshole or something. Hey, can you hear the horn?
I thought you were honking ahead.
What are we waiting for?
Jesse 9K Racing.
Just phone, just speaking. How may I help you? I do not have brake cleaner. Why? Yeah. What's it called? Little side quest mission. It's my buddy Matt right here. I've known this guy since I was young, huh? Like super young. I think I was a teenager. But for those that don't know, I do jewelry. So if you guys ever need anything custom, hit me up.
This is nice.
A little bling bling. Like right now we're headed to Ambrosia. Today's his 6-year anniversary on just the opening of his coffee shop, and he's having a promo, buy one get one. So we about to take advantage and get like 10 coffees so that we have 20 coffees. Oh, he's back there? Hello. Hello. Yeah, so we're right here with John, the owner of Ambrosia.
What's up?
6-year anniversary, right?
Yeah.
Damn,
Yeah.
for locals, for Wilmington, you know.
For the community.
Born and raised, so if you know, you know.
South
It's
Bay.
the plug.
Yeah.
So if you guys, oh well, the video's gonna be out after the buy one get one. So yeah, you guys missed out on the buy one get one between 12
Many
and 4.
more to come, though. Many more to come.
So pull up next time. Stay tuned. Follow Ambrosia.
Thank you.
Bro, just packed. All right, we came out with the goods, guys. We got 2 strawberry matchas for later. And we got 2 café de ollas for later. We already had coffee, but for later, you know. You can never go wrong. We drink 2-3 a day. And we got our sandwiches. What did we get? We got banh mi's?
Yep.
Yeah, we got banh mi's. John hooked it up. We bought one and he hooked it up with one. Thanks, John. What RPM? All right, so quick little update. We're back at the garage. We have the front radiator core support. We have the front bumper support. And then we got hood hinges, which is one of the main things that I didn't even know they took from the car. But we got hood hinges. We got side skirts now. We're missing the fender spacers, which are on the way. And then the last piece of the puzzle, which Crudo has, is the front tower supports that are all gonna get replaced for the vehicle. So once we have that, probably next weekend, we'll start tearing apart the full engine bay, full interior, pretty much make it a shell, and then off to Horn she goes. And then we'll probably get it back like 2 months later, all repaired, all painted, so that we can start assembling it. But that's your quick little update. We'll see you guys next week.